Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make rasmalai different way. I know I already have a rasmalai recipe on my channel, but today I'm going to show you a different way of you can make rasmalai with a secret ingredient, and actually two secret ingredients. So let me run you with the ingredients so we can get started. So we are going to need whole milk, and this is going to go boil. So whole milk, sugar, condensed milk, and the green cardamoms. So these are going to go boil, and then for the rasmalai itself, we need whole milk or full fat milk powder, and this is baking powder, and the secret ingredient is all-purpose flour. Yes, this is one of them, all-purpose flour. I know you guys gonna think like, why are you adding all-purpose flour in rasmalai? We shouldn't be adding. But if you want your rasmalai to hold and to be like yummy, good, and different texture, then you're gonna add a little bit of this all-purpose flour. I didn't add too much, just quarter cup of all-purpose flour. And the second secret ingredient is heavy cream. We are going to use heavy cream to mix everything. I'm not gonna go add butter or oil or ghee, nothing, no fat. The fat that I'm gonna be using is the heavy cream, or we call some people call it whipping cream, or maybe creme fraiche. It different names that they call it, but we call it heavy cream. So I'm gonna start. I already washed my hands, so I'm gonna start mixing this dry ingredient, and then I'm just gonna create a well in here, crack the egg in. With my hand, I'm gonna start mixing the egg first before I add the heavy cream, and then slowly I'm gonna add the heavy cream or the whipping cream or the creme fraiche. And now you can see all the powder comes together as a dough, and it is nice and smooth. That you can see how smooth and creamy this is looking. So let me go wash my hand, and then we're gonna start create those little rasmalai. I'm doing mine like little pieces like that, not too big. It's easy, you can grab and just roll it easy, and then press it down just like that onto a plate. Okay guys, so I have already made the little rasmalai. So I have 25 small pieces. Let's just set this on the side, and let's go to the stove. We're gonna start boiling the milk. In a non-stick saucepan, just please use a non-stick one. For that, you're gonna add the milk, cardamom, sugar, and I'm just gonna add half can of condensed milk. And that's it. And the whole time this milk is going to boil, just keep it over low heat, and we have to babysit this actually. Just keep it stirring. And it's been 10 minutes, so the milk, it's not boiling yet, but it's starting to. So the only thing I forgot to show you from the beginning is almond. We need some sliced almond. I'm gonna add half of the sliced almond now, and I want this to boil with the milk. Okay, perfect. And now I'm gonna start adding the little balls, rasmalai balls, and you still have to keep stirring it, but gently. You can see that right away how the rasmalai are getting bigger. You can see how our rasmalai is looking. It doesn't break by adding this flour, and at the same time the taste doesn't change. You will not taste flour. So this is our secret ingredient. Makes our rasmalai don't break. Stay like that. See how much is boiling and it's not breaking. So you also want to wait a little bit more over here, as still it's boiling, but don't turn the heat off and think that the rasmalai is done. It has to cook in the middle as well. So another 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the heat off. In absolutely no time, we have a perfect rasmalai. And I do have leftover in my fridge pistachio, so I just wanna, don't add if you don't have, you don't have to go buy it. Just almond alone is enough, but I do have like leftover in a little bag, so why not just add them. Some almond. Now you guys know this has to go in the fridge before you serve. Very, very cold, but I want to show you how it looks like in the middle, and I want to taste it as well. So we're just gonna put this on the side, and I have a little one piece in a little plate for me. I'm also gonna add some almond for me as well. I deserve some almond as well, and I also deserve some pistachio, and that's mine. Let me show you guys how soft is our rasmalai, and it does not break. It is hot. Okay, let me show you the inside. You can see it is hot, but after all of that hard work, I deserve a piece of rasmalai. Well, it's not really hard work. It was so easy, so simple to make. It does not taste flour at all. It tastes like milky rasmalai. It is so delicious. Rasmalai is my favorite. Please like, please subscribe. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time. Bye.